Experiencing issues with transparency mode on your AirPods Pro second generation? Let's troubleshoot the activation and fit. First, ensure transparency mode is enabled. Open your iPhone settings, go to Accessibility, then Hearing Devices, select AirPods Pro, and toggle transparency mode on. You can also activate it by pressing and holding the stem sensor, which you can customize in Bluetooth settings. Or simply ask Siri to turn on transparency mode. Next, ear tip fit is crucial for transparency mode. A poor seal causes sound leakage and reduces effectiveness. Your AirPods Pro include 4 ear tip sizes. Experiment to find the best one. Confirm the fit using the ear tip fit test in the iPhone Health app. A snug fit ensures optimal performance for transparency mode. If the previous steps don't resolve the issue, outdated firmware is likely the problem. AirPods Pro update automatically when connected to an iPhone, but it's wise to manually verify you're running the latest version, which should be 6B10 or later. To force an update if needed, connect your charging case directly to your iPhone using the Lightning cable. This wired connection can sometimes trigger the firmware update process. If problems continue, try resetting your AirPods. Place them in the charging case, then go to Bluetooth settings to forget the device, and finally, repair them with your iPhone. Also, ensure your iPhone is running iOS 16.1 or later for full compatibility with transparency mode. If all else fails, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service center for hardware inspection. While rare, hardware defects may require replacement. Most issues are resolved with these troubleshooting steps.